So today's video is a little different to what we normally do. Instead of being out on site and doing a walkthrough of one of our kitchens, we're actually in our showroom here in Ringwood. And today I'm going to be talking you through the Alfa Moderno 2 pizza oven. So we're really excited. We're now dealered up and we are now a retailer for the Alfa pizza ovens. These are Italian pizza ovens. They've been around for a long time. They're absolutely incredible bits of kit. And in the UK, we have the Alfa Moderno 2, the Moderno 3, and the Moderno 5, all of which vary in size. Obviously the 2 is built to cook 2 pizzas, the Moderno 3 is 3, and obviously the 5 is 5. The 5 is absolutely huge. This is the 2, the one that we've got here. So the 2 is available in this red color or a gray color. The 3 and the 5 are available in the red, the grey, and also a yellow color as well. All of them are made the same way. So you have this powder coated stainless steel outside casing, which keeps it completely waterproof. The inside is a fiber ceramic insulation, which helps to keep that heat, retain that heat in there. They have the refractory stones in there as well, which retain their heat. All 3 are available in either a hybrid version or a wood-fired version. So with the hybrid version, it comes as a gas oven. So this is a hybrid version, for example. You have the gas knob there, and this is your ignition over here. You hold that down and it ignites the flame. You've got a thermometer there as well, so you can see what the internal temperature of the oven is as well. You can also get the temperature probes, which are good for telling you what the temperature on the actual floor itself is. All of the front face of this is all stainless steel. This is the door that comes with it. This is stainless steel as well, as is the flue on the top. So everything is stainless steel, really good quality. When you buy the wood-fired version, it's literally the ceramics in there and that's it. When you buy the hybrid version, you get, if you want to have a look inside, so that's the stainless steel burners along there. It does come with a spare refractory brick as well. You also get this, which is for when you want to use it in wood burning mode only. So this, you can put that in there. You can put your logs and your kindling on there, put a fire lighter underneath, light it, and then push that to one side. That's where your fire's going to be. And then you've got all of this cooking space here for your pizzas and your food. What it also comes with as well is a stainless steel casing that you will then put over the burners. So when you're using wood-fired mode, the burners don't get damaged at all by the fire from those. On the wood version of this, the internal cooking measurements are 700mm by 500mm. On the Moderno 3, it's 900mm by 500mm, and on the 5, it is 1 meter by 700mm. So those are absolutely huge. If you've got the gas version, they'll be slightly smaller because you've got the burners in there. You've got so much space in there. You can get oven dishes in there. You could easily get 2 large pizzas in there. This will take about 30 minutes to get up to heat, both with the wood-fired and with the gas version as well. So it doesn't take long to get up to heat at all. And once you're up to that heat, cooking a pizza will take about 90 seconds. It's worth mentioning as well that they're not just for cooking pizzas. These are an oven. So you can bake bread in them, you can put fish in them, you can cook steaks in them, you can cook roast chickens, Sunday roast, everything you can. The temperature can be controlled, so you could lower it right down if you don't want to get that searing pizza oven heat. You can adjust it as you want, depending on what it is that you want to cook. So if you're cooking some steaks, you want to sear some steaks, you can turn it up really high, put it in a cast iron dish, put some oil over it and some herbs, and really get a lovely crust on there. So in the UK currently, 2025, the Moderno 2 wood version will cost you £2,000. The hybrid gas version will be £2,800. The Moderno 3, the wood version is £2,700. The hybrid is £3,100. For the 5, the wood version is £5,000, and for the hybrid it's £5,400. These are substantial ovens. They're really well made. They're right at the top of their game and worth every penny in my opinion. So these ovens can form a real focal point for an outdoor kitchen. If you're having an outdoor kitchen or thinking having one done, they're such a thing of beauty and they really stand out. The design of it, the colours. We tend to put them in the corner because of the size of them. The corner of an outdoor kitchen, if you've got an L shape, lends itself well because you've got a lot more room there. Sometimes you put logs underneath it as well for the aesthetics, but they do work really well in an outdoor kitchen. So they do also have a really good selection of accessories that you can get with the pizza oven. They have the peels, the prods, the brushes, peel holders, all of which are really good quality. They also do have a range of cabinetry, almost like outdoor kitchens. They've even got a unit that would hold a Kamado oven as well. They do have tables and units on wheels, stainless steel, that you can put the ovens on. A lot of them are modular as well, so you can actually mix and match them together to create a little outdoor kitchen space. So I hope you found this video useful. If you're looking for a pizza oven, or you have been looking for a pizza oven, I can't recommend these enough. They're really, really good, and I hope this has helped give you some information about the oven. If you've got any questions on it, just message us in the comments below, or you can get in touch with us via our social media or our email. We'll leave all the details in the description below. We have Instagram, we have Facebook, so if you want to follow us on there and see what we're currently up to, we try and post on there a few times a week. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.